In this video, we're going to have a look at options to take data in the drawing and use that data to create Cogo points. In this drawing, we actually have blocks describing points created by Carlson, and these blocks are actually in a group. So I'm just going to ungroup one of these to have a bit of a look. This is made up of two blocks and a point, and one of the blocks, which is this one here, if I have a look at the properties, is a block made up of attributed text, and we can see those attributes there. What we can do is read that attributed block, grab that information out of it and the coordinates, and use that to create Cogo points. So to do this, if we drop down the import create points drop down, we'll see an option here, convert to points. So this tool allows us to firstly scan for a layer in the drawing. So I just need to find that layer that we found when we clicked on that point group, also that block containing point attributes, and that is this one here. And we then get to choose what object we have as a point of reference. And in this case, I actually have a block. Okay, so all of these are in blocks, and what I can do then is extract from that block to create a Cogo point different information. So the XY I will get from the block insertion point, but I can say here I want to get the elevations not off the object elevation, although that would work fine, but I can actually grab it out of the attributed text. Okay, if you just had plain text, you could also use that, or if you grabbed a block and there was text nearby, you could use that for elevation or description. So I'm going to pick attribute here, and all I need to do is to type in that attribute that is within that block. So that's LEV2. And then if I come across to descriptions, I can additionally assess and assign the description information by reading an attribute. And that would be DESC2, which is that attribute within that block. Down the bottom here, I can just make up a reference to how the points should look based on a code set table, which is a lookup table of descriptions and point styles, or I could alternately pick a default point style to use. But if I just go create points, the software will scan the drawing for that information, and what I now have are equivalent Cogo points created for civil site design ready for us to use. Those points can obviously look different based on the descriptions of those points. The software has simultaneously created a surface, so where there was a zero elevation, obviously that is affecting the terrain. But if I just roll through here, you'll see those points exist. I just deleted to update a surface. They fell into the configurable point group. A surface was created from those points. So there you have it. This is using the convert to points command to take data from a drawing and create Cogo points ready for you to use